right, let's look at our next task. We're going to do create input. And we're going to have an input element. It's going to have a couple states, empty field, focus disabled. We'll have the option of an icon. We'll have an option of a label. So we wanted to add it to Storybook. It has all these states, empty field, focus disabled. We'll have that icon, like I said. It's going to have that text label, be able to have it. Okay, we'll have the a hint and an error message, so that should be in the designs. Yes, so we'll have the ability to have a hint and our error messages with focus and an icon with the ability to have an icon in the front. All right, let's get to work. All right, let's look at the code that we have here. Here's our component. Here is what we will render. You'll notice that we have our label up here and the input here. And so they are siblings. And we went with this form, this structure, because the accessibility document suggests that readers have a better time explaining to the user what the label is and what the input is. If we would nest it, some readers have a difficult time reading that out for them. So here's our plain input, and that's according to our documents. This input is a very versatile input. We could add icons before and after. We could add a label. We could add information text. So those were also part of the Figma designs. That was great. But we also added more versatility by passing in props and putting that on the input so that if someone wanted to add styles or functions, they could do that. The other added feature that makes it more versatile is the use of forwardRef. So most likely this input unit is going to be part of a form or part of some component that will have its own business logic. And so forward ref allows us to pass on the information through that ref to the component where the business logic is located. So it's not a coupled component, but a more decoupled component. We also did more of the functional work up here and just placed it down here just for more readability purposes. But we have a prefix and we have a suffix. So we can have an input with an icon. We can have it with the, where's the error one? We can have it with the suffix or error icon. And we can have it with a message. We can also have it focused and focused with an error. And that might go well within the styling here. So if it has a suffix, we'll give it that border and also that box shadow. If it has the focus, we'll give it that purple. But if that focus also has that suffix, we'll give it the error border. So that's nice. We also have a width of 100% so that if I click on anywhere in here, it will automatically register and allow them to type. So that's important to note there too as well. And I think that's it.